In the heart of the forest, Barnaby the bear slumbers deeply, his thunderous snores shattering the morning peace. The forest creatures' voices rise in a symphony of annoyance as birds scatter in panicked flight and squirrels chatter in furious protest. The rabbits thump their feet, signaling their displeasure at the rude disruption of Barnabas' slumber. Barnabas' noisy slumber transforms the tranquil forest into a scene of utter chaos and unrest. Deep within the rabbit hole, a community of rabbits huddles, ears plugged tight with cotton, their noses twitching in collective irritation. In a moment of exasperation, Rabbit 1 cries out, "I can't take it anymore. Barnabas' snoring is driving me mad." Rabbit 2, echoing the sentiment, laments, "It's been going on day and night. We need to find a solution." Rabbit 3 emphatically declares,